Wow, that's like half of the Mrs. Meyer's stock room or something. Let me get my coffee so I don't block it. Gotta have my iced coffee. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, and if this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so glad you came. Today's video is a haul that I got from Target.com. Mostly cleaning supplies and beauty, bathroom products. So if this is your first time here, I would love it if you would click that subscribe button along with that little bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I mostly post cleaning videos, and every so often I will post a cooking video, and this is one of my rare hauls that I might post every 2 or 3 months. Okay, so let's get started. So some of these items I actually have already started to use because I received it in different shipments. I wanted to try this. I've been using Mrs. Meyer's for a few years now, and I wanted to try the dishwasher or dishwashing detergent in the lavender. And I've used it, I think, 4 times now, and I really do like it. I was starting to get some kind of a film on my dishes. What was the brand I was using? I was using Method, the dishwasher tabs, and it started giving my dishes a film over them. So I stopped using it once I finished them because I didn't want to waste them. And I went back to using my e-cover. So I started back using that, and it really helps remove the film. So I started using this one a few days ago when I got it, and it's really continued to help along with the e-cover brand. And I like it because every time I open the dishwasher, whenever the cycle is finished, I get just a faint whiff of the lavender smell, and I love that. To go along with that, I also got the dish soap. It's the lavender scent. I still am using my Iowa Pine, and I probably won't finish it until toward the end of February. So I have this for whenever I run out. To go along with all of that, of course, I actually ordered 2 of these. It's the foaming, and I love foaming soap. I love Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent, especially this time of year when it's starting to become spring. It's not spring yet. We have like a month and a half. And I have never ordered the air freshener spray, or the room freshener is what it's called. Non-aerosol, made with essential oils. And it's the lavender scent. I didn't realize how small it was. If you've ordered the dish soap and you know how big the dish soap is, this is how small the room freshener spray is. And I thought it was a lot bigger. I was thinking it was more along this size, or the size of the multi-purpose spray, which I also have. I have everything in the lavender scent. I love the color purple too. Pink and purple are my colors. So this was the shipment that just came in today, and that's why it's still in a bag. So anyway, here is the multi-purpose spray. I actually have just a little bit left of the other one that I was using before I started ordering all of the fall or winter scents. So I still have a little bit of orange clove. I have finished off my peppermint. I finished off my Iowa Pine about, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. And going with that, I have seen a lot of YouTube ladies out there ordering the basil scent, and I was really excited to try it because they say it smells really good, it smells fresh, and I love this color. It is so pretty. I didn't realize it was this color. So let's smell. Oh my goodness, it smells like some kind of dish soap. There was something always in my grandmother's kitchen because she didn't have a dishwasher, so she always got really nicely scented soaps and dish soaps and things like that. But that's what this smells like. I'm really excited. I'm really glad. Oh, that makes me so happy to smell. It brings back memories. It really does. I love that. I am going to start ordering that. I'm so glad that I did. Okay, yeah. This one I actually used to really love. One thing I do love about it is the honeysuckle hand soap, but it has olive oil and aloe vera. which I love for us to use this, especially during the winter months. So I did get 2 of the Method cleaners. I have tried the Method all-purpose cleaner before, but I tried it in the Honey Crisp apple scent, and I really liked the way that it smelled in the bottle, but once I sprayed it on a surface, it almost smelled kind of sour. But I ordered this and I actually used it for the first time last night, and this is in the pink grapefruit, and I actually really liked it when I sprayed it, and I love it that it's pink. I did like this when I used it last night. It did not have a kind of soured smell. Oh, there's one more cleaning item. This has got to be one of the best smelling cleaners ever to me. It is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in the Citron scent. Caitlin's channel, Mommy in the Making, and she had this. And I asked her, I was like, where did you get that? And she said Target, because it's not on Grove Collaborative, which is why I ordered from Target, because I've never seen this on Grove Collaborative. I love the way it smells. It smells like an orange dreamsicle to me. I also have the peppermint bathroom one. It's upstairs in my kid's bedroom. But this one right here, my son came in the kitchen, he was like, it smells so good in here. I was like, thanks. It's the new cleaner that I got. This antibacterial, it kills 99.9% of all household germs. Now, moving on to the bathroom items. The first 3 items, or first 4 items, actually, I've started using. So I'm just gonna, this right here, y'all, I got it the other day in the mail. If you have never used this brand, I have never used this brand before. I just did a search on Target for natural body wash, and this was one of them that pulled up. Raw sugar body wash, raw coconut and mango. I'm just gonna smell it. I wish you guys could smell it. I'm all about smell. Here you go. Can you smell it? You smell it? Okay. It smells like a salon or spa at the beach. It smells so good. I've used it only like 2 or 3 times now. It just smells so good. I love it. Made from natural coconut and plant-based blend for pure skin nutrition. It just smells delicious, you guys. This right here, I used to use this all the time. It is the Alba Botanica Acne Dote Face and Body Scrub. Sorry guys that the light's so bright right there. I don't use it for my body, I just use it for my face. The reason that I love it so much is because it is an exfoliator and it feels so good when I put it on my skin. I absolutely love it. The smell is interesting. It doesn't stink. It just smells, almost has a minty smell to it. It's like a dark brown. It looks kind of gross. It looks kind of gross when it's on your face. Okay, so moving on. I have used this brand before in makeup. The only reason I got this was because it was the cheapest, natural-ish, you know, it's not 100% natural, but it says 100% vegan, which that doesn't mean that it's always, you know, it's not always natural, but it is sulfate free. And anyway, it's the Pacifica Super Kale Juiced Up Shampoo, Weightless Hydration, Volume Support, Stress and Pollution Protection with Detoxifying Extracts. I like that. It's for all hair types, especially fine, oily, or color treated. So there you go. I like the packaging too. It's kind of 1980s, but I really like it. I think it's pretty. And it smells really good. It's an invigorating mint smell. It's not the same as this, but makes you take a deep breath. Okay, this right here, I used it for the first time this morning. I just wanted to try something different. So I decided to try the Nature's Gate. It is non-GMO, natural toothpaste, fluoride, and I might be butchering this word, but I do know that this word that I'm about to pronounce is also in a lot of coffee creamers, but it says it is fluoride and carrageenan or carrageenan. Please tell me how to pronounce, if I can say pronounce. Please tell me how to pronounce that word if you know. So, the problem, I just used it like an hour ago for the first time. It smells a little different. It's supposed to be cinnamon. I guess you guys want to see it, don't you? Yeah. Maybe. Can you see it? Okay. And also, it's just really sticky. I'm going to use it though because I spent money on it, but I probably won't order it again. And it just kind of like bunched up in my mouth when I was using it. It didn't evenly bubble. I don't know what I'm really trying to say. It just felt like I was almost using chewing gum to brush my teeth with. But yeah, I think that was kind of it. Yeah. The last item. Sorry guys if this video is too long. If you have made it this far, thank you. We are on the next to the last item. It is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Chamomile and Argan Oil. It's baby wash and shampoo with frankincense and myrrh, calm and comfort all skin types. Oh yeah, I might want this for myself. I ordered this for my 3 girls. I have a 7-year-old daughter, a 3-year-old daughter, and a 2-year-old daughter. Here you go, I'll let you see it. It's pretty packaging. I like that yellow, that bright golden yellow. Most of the time my girls use the Honest Company and the lavender scent because they always take baths at night and it's just calming for them, I feel. So I feel like it just calms them down and gets them ready for bed. So I wanted to try something a little different since it has chamomile and, you know, it's supposed to be calming. So I just really wanted to try that. Oh, okay. So before I move on to the last item, I did get this shirt, Make It Happen. So I thought this was cute. I love the little, you know, the gold lettering. And so yeah, anyway, that was just really quick. Okay, this is the very last item in this box, I promise. Up to 8 hours of soothing mist, spa room. It's the Galaxy Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser. So you will see this in my my bathroom cleaning video very soon. I love it because it was white. But isn't that pretty though? I love the sleek design. I love those little circles. It's almost like bubbles that are coming up. So pretty and clean. Okay, so apparently this doesn't like lock in place. You just set it on there because it's not, well, that's different. Here's the little cup that you fill your water with and pour it in there. Here's the AC adapter. So, all right, I'm excited. So you guys will see that. Look at the little button. I just think that looks so sleek and so pretty. I'm so excited. All right, guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if it was long-winded. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked it, if you've tried any of these products and what you thought. I would love to know your opinions. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.